Is garbage disposal giving you trouble in Phoenix, Arizona? Springs Plumbing has you covered. A clogged or broken disposal can disrupt your kitchen and daily routine. Our expert plumbers quickly diagnose and repair all types of garbage disposal issues. We have the solution, whether it's a jammed unit, strange noises, or a complete breakdown. Need a brand new garbage disposal? We offer professional installation for top quality units. Save time and avoid frustration. Let us handle your garbage disposal repairs and replacements. With years of experience, we ensure your disposal runs smoothly and efficiently. Our services are fast, affordable, and backed by quality workmanship. We work with all major brands and models, guaranteeing expert service every time. Avoid costly plumbing issues by keeping your disposal in top condition. If your disposal is leaking or not grinding correctly, don't wait, call us today. We provide honest assessments and reliable solutions to fit your needs and budget. Customer satisfaction is our priority, and we take pride in every job we do. Springs Plumbing is your trusted partner for all garbage disposal services in Phoenix. Call us now at 480-265-6936 for expert garbage disposal repair and installation. Visit our website at www.springsplumbingaz.com to learn more and schedule your service today.